Ladies and gentlemen, as we draw to a close of this conference, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the theme that has guided our discussions over the past few days: sharing the stage and embracing change. Throughout this conference, we have been reminded that we are all interconnected and that by sharing the stage, we can achieve great things, whether it's in our personal lives or in our professional endeavors. We can all benefit from the knowledge, skills, and experience of others. Embracing change is never easy, but is necessary for growth and progress. It requires us to be open-minded, flexible, and willing to learn. By doing so, we can find new and innovative ways to solve problems and create opportunities. I'd like to thank all the speakers, panelists, and attendees who have contributed to this conference and who have shared their stories, insights, and ideas. Your participation has been invaluable and has helped to make this event a success. Sorry for reading that. The reason I read it is because I've never seen that before. That was generated when I got up, I hit the search on my ChatGPT 3, and what I just read to you was created between me sitting back there and coming up here. Change is here. Whether we embrace it or not, change is here. And that's ChatGPT 3, which is weak. ChatGPT 4 will be an amazing thing. So, oh my goodness, what we have seen today. Just truly unbelievable, and it speaks to the value of TAKminds. It speaks to this forum where people come together, and if you go through what we've heard, we've had a session on leadership, a session on AI and technology, environmental and sustainability, art, design, and business, and each one of us, I am certain each one of us gained something from every one of those things. As diverse as those fields are, how you can get 5 diverse topics to be so interesting to everybody is really TAKminds, and it's the future of TAKminds. It's the future of TAKREEM America. It's the thing that's gonna make every time this will get nothing but better and better and better. Next year will be I'll come up and give the talk with ChatGPT 4, and we can compare back. I wasn't going to disclose, I'll be fair, that I use ChatGPT, but I know Khalid did to his wife. I wasn't going to disclose that. But then I heard Francois say that we're not at singularity and humans are better than machines, and I think he guaranteed I could 10% to 20% outperform. I'm a hedge fund manager. Couldn't pass up a 10 to 20% performance. But all of this vision for TAKminds comes from Ricardo, which I think we all appreciate so much. And also from Yoma, which we cannot forget. She's the brilliance behind most of this. Sorry, Ricardo. Yes, and the brainchild for sure, yeah. Yes. I think that I'd also like to thank the team. There's a team in Lebanon. It's late in Lebanon. I think they're all still online and doing things tonight. All the team here that's helping out, the photographers, thank you all very, very, very much. Aruba, oh my goodness, she's helping with all of these things. So great thanks for all of those efforts. I think that my takeaway summary from this, I'll tell you that I believe so strongly that this is the 4th industrial revolution. We're here. It's not AI, actually, it's computers, it's computing power, because AI is nothing without data, and data can't be achieved without the new, powerful computers that we're utilizing. But it's, the beautiful thing about it is it's the equalizer of opportunity around the world. So when we look at areas like the Middle East that have traditionally been left out of industrial revolutions, we now have the opportunity that all this 4th generation can come to them, which is amazing and part of what the importance of TAKmind is as we move forward. I think that my takeaway from all of these things that I heard, I am certain that everybody, and I hope there are still some young people here, this is the best time to be alive. It is absolutely the best time to be alive. And we hear, of course, there are wars and there are earthquakes, and there are always earthquakes, and this is the best time to be alive. We are going to, we
We heard today, we're going to cure cancer with a vaccine. We are developing technology where we can stop cell death, program cell death. It's called senescence, and we can stop it. We can live to 200 without aging. All of these have ethical issues, there's no doubt about it, but we're gonna be driverless cars, we're gonna be in air taxis. It's happening in our lifetimes. I mean, it's like the most amazing and incredible time to be alive. And I hope the young people realize that they're the luckiest generation really ever to live, because it's happening at a speed, when you look at the charts, it's asymptotic of what's singularity, it's coming at an asymptotic rate. It's truly unbelievable. And my faith is reassured by all that I've heard today. The people and the ideas and the things, this is the best time to be alive. There's no question about it. I think of all the privileged leadership positions I've been able to be in, there's nothing I've treasured more than being a parent. And I think that the idea of sharing the stage and embracing change, I see through this lens of parenting. Because what you do is you take your kids and you support them, you feed them, you protect them, you educate them, and your hope, oddly, is for them to leave. Your hope is for them to do better than you. The hope is for them to start paying for your dinner instead of you paying for theirs, right? So that's kind of the way I see sharing the stage and embracing change. Is it's parenting. It's normal. It's what happens through the millennia. So I have a hope and a request for the young people in the room, many young enough to be my kids. My request is simple. Could you please, as a favor to us, please offer us an invitation to your stage, because I'm standing on your stage. Thank you all very, very, very much.